for school. Hi, I am Professor Jamie, and today I'll be schooling you on the business basics so you can be cool in the school of life. And today, let us talk about virtual selling. How can I close deals? Can I still reach my sales quota during this crisis? Closing deals in the virtual space may be new to you, and maybe it's causing you to question your ability and even adding up to the pile of uncertainty in your life right now. You are not alone. And here at Be Cool for School, I would like you to know the selling principles are still the same, and all you need to do is to be able to adapt to the new methods in selling. Cool? Yes, we heard problems from salespeople, and so we looked into articles, we read books from different industries, and we were able to curate the virtual perfect pitch to be able to help you in selling, performing, and excelling in this new normal. And because I am too cool, let me share to you 3 things you need to know now. Yes, right now. First off, you must create digital presence. Gone are the days that email, phone are your sole partners. You must now be able to show that you are available in the digital realm, or else they might think you're dead or just a ghost. Now, let's go to number 2. And when you're up there, remember, connection before content. Again, let me repeat that. Connection before content. If you know what I mean. You cannot connect without knowing the right channels. Don't just ping someone, make sure you have the right platform to be able to connect to them. And stop talking in LinkedIn or IG if that person you want to close deals with are on Facebook. Create a way that you will be reached faster than your Wi-Fi at home. Yes. Get ready to engage, and don't just sell. That is so boring. Well, you know what? People nowadays are having communication fatigue. Make sure you won't be one of the causes. And please, a piece of advice, prepare questions, prepare games, and even use your voice for impact. And for that is how you create a virtual perfect pitch. See you in our virtual instructor-led training sessions. Again, this is Jamie, and remember to be cool for school.